Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Jira Bro bringing you some fresh news. Okay, I know that many of us are gonna be sad, of course, but don't worry. The new things are keep coming in, and the new improvements are also coming in. So the Jira's dot menu will be removed from the August 19. And I know it's a great feature. I've been using it for a long time, especially I was using it on the server. And yeah, of course, we all get sad about that, but the main question is, okay, why? So first of all, that dot menu will be replaced with the upcoming comment palette. You remember we had that comment palette before, so it was there, but it wasn't really polished, if I can say it like that. So Atlassian Steam is working hard to actually make this comment palette more compactable and more accessible to the users. So if you go to this page right here, so the main question is why the dot menu is being removed, right? So it says here that it will allow the Atlassian to invest the efforts into comment palette and to improve it based on our feedback. That's actually pretty great. Thumbs up. Unlike the comment palette, the dot menu is constrained by its code, making it difficult to update. Furthermore, the dot menu is only available in parts of the Jira, while the comment palette can be accessed regardless of where you are in the project. Yes, that is actually correct, because if you go through some of the menus in Jira and let's say you're in the issue, I'm not sure it really appears or not, but I know that for, let's say, from the administration perspective, it really isn't appearing. It really isn't appearing there. So this is kind of an improvement that is actually coming. So there are a few features that we haven't brought over into the comment palette yet, and this includes converting to issues and subtasks, search criteria, connecting your issues to a Slack channel, actions related to marketplace apps. So the thing is that the question is, what do I need to do now? So since we know that the big change is coming and we need to be prepared for this change. So it's saying if we are the admin, Atlassian is recommending us to notify our organization about the dot menu removal in the advance and preparing users to switch over to comment palette. Now, in order to actually access the comment palette, if you're the Mac user, you're gonna press the command AK and K to open the command palette. And if you're actually a Windows user, you're going to hit the Control K to open the command palette. And when you actually do that, you're going to be given the options to, well, move on and continue. So let's see if there is something else that I wanted to update you guys with. No, but I will leave these links in the description. So if you want, you can go and you can read the whole article. And yeah, of course. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the weekend. It's actually Sunday here. It's already sunny, and it's like 9 a.m. So it's actually pretty good. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.